Good morning, preschoolers. It's Miss Vanessa. I hope you are having a marvelous Monday. Today, we are going to do a little bit of math. We're going to think about some of that charting that we've been doing in our classroom. So I sent all of your mommies and daddies a picture of Finley. Finley is a dog, and she had some babies in her belly. She is a German Shorthaired Pointer is the kind of dog that she is. And she has lots of babies in her belly. So your job was to look at that picture and to guess, to estimate how many puppies you think she was going to have. So let's get to that and think about if we can chart and see who has the most and who has the least, and think about some of those math terms. So preschoolers, first we're gonna start here at the number 1, but nobody guessed that she had 1 puppy in her belly. Next, we're going to come down here to the number 2 because 2 comes after 1. And Seth, we're going to put a dot right there. Seth guessed that she had 2 puppies in her belly. So that's our first mark on our graph. Next, when we come to 3, nobody guessed 3. But when we get to 4, Caleb said she had 4 puppies. And Emmy said she had 4 puppies. There we go. After 4 comes 5, and 5 had a lot of guesses. William said she had 5 puppies, and Emery said she had 5 puppies, and Nora said she had 5 puppies in her belly. Preschoolers, I need your help with this. First, we know we have 1. After 1 comes 2. After 2 comes 3. After 4, oh, I said that silly. After 3 comes 4. After 4 comes 5. And next, we have number 6. And Kensley and her sister Carrington both said they think she has 6 puppies in her belly. And Miss Molly also thinks she had 6 puppies in her belly. Next, we're going to go to 7. And 7, Winston said 7 puppies, and Miss Oliva said 7 puppies. Then, when we come down here to 8, the next number, Mason, his daddy, thought that she had 8 puppies, and me, Miss Vanessa, thinks that she has 8 puppies in her belly. After 8, we have 9, and Zachary thought she had 9 puppies in her belly. 10, Emmy's sister Helena thinks that there are 10 puppies in her belly. And then down here at the end, we have 11. And Emmanuel. Preschoolers, are you noticing that with my markers, I am looking to see what comes next in my pattern I'm doing? Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green. Red, blue. Patterns repeat themselves, so I know green will come after the blue. Thank you for helping me think about that. Right here, Emmanuel said 11. And preschoolers, there's something right here. We know that 11 comes after 10, but I put dot, dot, dot. And then there's a big number down here. There's a number 56. And Eli, Emery's brother, thinks she has 56 puppies in her belly. So preschoolers, now I need your help because we need to think about which number has the most votes, which number we think. So when I look at 2, I only see 1 dot. And when I look at 9, I see 1 dot. When I look at 10, I see 1 dot. When I look at 11 and 56, I see 1 dot. But these here, there's something special. 5 is down the farthest. There's 1, 2, 3. So it looks like 5, I think, is our winner. The most people think that Finley is going to have 5 puppies. So we know that 1, 2, 3 is a bigger number than 2, and it's a bigger number than 1. So 5 has the most votes. Thank you, preschoolers and friends. Finley actually had her puppies this weekend, and Miss Samantha, who knows Finley, sent me some of those pictures. And right now, Finley has had 3 females, 3 girl puppies. Oh, I said that backwards, I'm sorry. Right now, Finley has had 4 females, 4 girl puppies, and 3 males, 3 boy puppies. So when I take 4 girl puppies and plus 3 boy puppies, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So when I take 4 and add that together with 3, I know that I have 7 puppies. So Winston and Miss Oliva, oh, the sun's catching that. Winston and Miss Oliva right there, they guessed the right. Whoop, that's not working. Miss Oliva and Winston guessed the right number. So even though 5 had the most number of votes, it looks like Miss Oliva and Winston guessed the correct number. So Finley might have more puppies in her belly that haven't made it out yet so far, but right now there are 7 puppies that came out. So thank you for helping me guess today, and thank you for helping me think about your charts. I know that we were working on a weather chart, thinking about how spring was coming and about how the weather was changing, and we were charting how many cold and warm and cool days we had. And we were also looking at how many sunny, cloudy, rainy, I believe, and partly cloudy days. So if charting something that you want to do, I bet your mommies and daddies can help you get a piece of paper, and you can chart the weather, you can chart what you ate for lunch that day, or you could even chart how many days you've been home. There's lots of different ways to play with numbers. We'll see you another day. Bye, preschoolers.